Sebring today. We're going up to Flash Games and Comics. What are we going up there for, Hall?
A Funko Pop drop.
What are you hoping for?
A Flareon Funko Pop and a Jolteon Funko Pop because I don't have those yet.
George, you have anything you're looking for?
Probably like a Marvel Funko Pop if I find one that I like.
Coley, what's your holy grail? They're calling it Grail City, by the way. So he's got like, how much money worth of Funkos did he go get?
90,000.
Good Lord, 90 grand.
I like a Loki Funky Pop.
Funko.
Funky.
Well, they're funky. They're funky Funkos.
What else, Georgia? What else we gonna do while we're up there?
We're probably gonna do Pokemon vending machines with the cards.
We lucked out last time we were up there. Pulled a, what was it? A fossil 1999 Haunter card. One of the ones that he'd stuffed in there is one of what he called his grails in the vending machine thing. So we lucked out on that one, grabbed that. So we'll see what we grab today, see if we get any Funkos. Just have a good time.
See you there.
Here we go. Pop drop, Flash Games, Comics Toys, Sebring, Florida. You ready, Hall?
Yes.
What are you getting?
The other two evolutions.
Evolutions.
That is a Vaporeon.
All right, here we are, Grail City. What are you guys doing? It's Grail City. Get in here. Get in here, Grail City.
There's a squirrel.
For you too. How you doing?
Good. How you doing?
One day at a time. Let me know if you have any questions, okay?
Thank you much.
That's the last thing.
Where'd you look? It glows in the dark.
What is it? Oh, here's the Grails.
It glows in the dark.
Indiana Jones.
This is new.
There's the golden goose. Colin, what do you think? It's a lot, isn't it? How many do you think are here? Thousands of Funko Pops. And this is just one aisle. There's another aisle that's even bigger than this one on the other side. There are a lot of people in it though, but it's insane.
Today at like 10:30. Pokemon Pop. Other than that one, they don't have one over there.
Yeah, Georgia. Let me see.
It's cute.
Oh, he's in the flower pot.
It's at the end of the movie where he's like dancing at the.
And Drax is trying to see him.
Yes, but he freezes everything.
Oh, I know. There's so much here. These are all the Grail stuff in the cases.
I feel like they have more.
You feel like they have more what? Pokemon cards?
Like the ones in the cases.
I think they might.
Where's the Pokemon vending machines at?
Hold it still.
I am.
It won't focus on him. Okay. I can't see dancing group, so you're going to have to dance to show us that he dances? No? Okay. Holland, what'd you score? What'd you score? Wally?
Find any evolutions for us for Wally.
No evolution? They still had a ton. They had a pretty awesome Charmander that was, what, like $800? It was a Grail. It's like really hard to find.
It was sparkly as heck.
It was sparkly. That'd go good with you. You're sparkly.